We got company.
Wow, all right.
Two people.
Hey, don't mind us, we'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey,
What's the
hey!
Hey, how
What are
you
you
doing?
guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show. Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this.
Yes, it's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go. Come on.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Yeah.
Hey, Steven,
Hey.
what about some backstage passes?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Okay, I'll make it happen.
Right,
Now get
right.
out of here.
Got it,
I
got
hate
it.
all of you.
See ya.
Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Excuse me. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait, it's out in the alley. Hey, guys.
All right, guys, congratulations on those backstage passes. That never happened.